Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for visit my YouTube channel and watching this video, guys. And I hope you like this video and you not bored see my cute face. Hip hop song from Kurdish music. Yeah, from Sherif, Omeri and Gxg-Mademoisella. Amin. So guys, I hope you like this video and you don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, support me with your subscribe. So let's start watching this video. I am patient want to hear this video, guys, because I like it with hip hop song and rap song. Because what? Because music I like. Okay. Oh, like musik Spanyol ya. Spain, Spanyol, language Indonesia. Oh. Oh. I think this woman no from Kurdish, like Spain. So amazing. Yeah. Oh. Wow, I like rap song, guys. Sherif so cool. Oh. Wow. So, you look, this woman so amazing. I like this girl, guys, so pretty and so cool. Oh. Wow, hip hop from Kurdish, so amazing, so cool, and I like it. And if you have hip hop from Kurdish other, you can give me and tell me with your comment, guys. I need that, okay, because I like it. So I like Sherif, Omeri, and Gxg-Mademoisella. I like it. So cool, so amazing this video, and I know dub with Kurdish music. It's amazing, and I like music, Kurdish music. You must know that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you not bored see my face, and you not bored see my video. Watch my video, I mean. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Don't forget you subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Thank you.